Check out all these peaches. YouTube, Georgia Farming and Flu Vlog, it is crazy here. It's just a week into May and we've got over 300 peaches growing on these 3 trees. But last year we had the same and they all got eaten by squirrels. So right now I'm gonna show you how we can prevent that from happening again. So here's what you're gonna need. 1 Bernie doodle, and you tie him to the tree and you make him chase the squirrels off. Just kidding, we can't do that to him. What you actually will need though, I bought this set off Amazon. See if we can get the name of it here. It's about a $10 set. I got 3 of them, 1 for each tree. 1, 2, 3. Basically it is I think it's 13 feet by like 26 feet green net with about 1/2 inch holes in them. And then it comes with some little zip ties and stakes and a ladder. You might not need a ladder if you're super tall or if your peach trees are not quite as big as mine. But essentially what we're gonna do is we're going to take this net, unravel it, and we're just gonna wrap the entire tree and zip tie it off. Super simple. So here's a close-up of the net I got. So you can see about 1/2 inch holes. It's just a really thin green net. And we're gonna get this stretched over the tree. So I've got it draped all the way across now. And now it's time to start sealing it up at the bottom. All right, here's what we're looking at so far. You want to make sure to get these sides really closely bound together. You don't want any gaps. So here's a little spot that we're going to add another one right there. And then most importantly, the very bottom here, make sure you pull them all together and tie it into the tree. Make sure there's no space in here for a squirrel to crawl up in. We've got a little more to do on this back side, but this is the most important part. If they can get up, down, and through the bottom, then none of the rest even matters. It is finally done. Look at that beauty. Now I know what a bunch of you guys are gonna say is, hey, is this gonna hurt the tree? Is it not gonna grow as fast? Yes, you're right. It's probably going to hurt some of the leaves and the branches, but that doesn't matter. The only thing that matters here is that we get these succulent peaches to ripen so that we can eat them. Look how big this tree is. We are not worried about growth in peach trees. They grow 5 to 10 feet a year. So worry about that early in the spring. Let them grow then. But now we need to save these from the squirrels. So make sure there's no gaps here on the edges. And then down low, the most important part, like we talked about, completely sealed up, nothing's getting in there. And these are just, you know, quickly removed zip ties. So make sure you come out here and check these every couple days to make sure they haven't fallen off and there's no gaps. Thanks for watching, everybody. I can't wait till we get to try some of these peaches. Hopefully this works. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks.